how to deactivate your Facebook account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to temporarily deactivate your Facebook account after the menu change that was made in June 2025. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, simply open up the Facebook app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone, then select Menu in the bottom menu of the app. From there, you want to make sure that your Facebook profile is selected here. If you have any groups or pages, make sure that that's not what's selected, so you can select the dropdown, then choose your Facebook profile. After that, select the gear in the top right to open the settings, and then just go ahead and select See More in Account Center. Once in the Account Center, scroll down and select Accounts. Then select Account Ownership and Control, and all we need to do is select Deactivation or Deletion. So from there, select the Facebook account that you want to temporarily deactivate. Once this loads, Deactivate Account will be pre-selected, so just make sure that blue's next to Deactivate Account and then select Continue. Keep in mind any Facebook groups or pages you have that you're the sole owner of, sole admin, will also be deactivated. So you can transfer that to stop this from happening. Check the description, I have a tutorial going over that. Go ahead and select Continue. Then just enter your Facebook password, select Continue, and after that, your Facebook account will be temporarily deactivated. You can reactivate it at any time by simply logging back into your account on the website or in the app. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.